beautiful. There is our little cup of espresso. To turn this into a nice iced latte because those are my favorite. Also, if you have any recommendations for lattes, what are your favorite syrups, all that fun stuff, please leave it below because I'm always looking for new stuff to spice up my coffee, because now that I have this little baby, I am definitely not going to a coffee shop. You're going to take your milk of choice. I just have whole milk here. Sometimes I do non-dairy milk, sometimes I do regular milk. Kind of just depends on how I'm feeling. I don't add too much, so doesn't really affect me. But now we are just going to press this little button on the end, like I said, for when you go to froth your milk. And then I just got this cute little creamer mini pitcher. I don't really know, but it was from Target for like $5. Just bought it the other day, so if you want a twin, you can. And then we're just going to turn this nozzle here and begin frothing and move the cup all around. So we'll let that sit for a moment as I get my cup with ice and all that fun stuff. I usually take a mason jar and I will line the inside with caramel and then put some ice. And yeah, let's do that. Alright, so we have our caramel sauce right here. Sorry, I meant to say this earlier, but in the box it comes with a coffee and tea recipe. Super helpful, and it has a Italian caramel latte, white mocha, hazelnut, cold brew, plenty of options, as well as the instruction manual, of course, which is so easy, and it has this little QR code on the back. And then these quick little guides and steps are so easy to follow with pictures. Definitely recommend. They make this, Laekerrt really makes this process so easy for you and beginner friendly. I like to do kind of a good bit. Try to get it like all around. That way it's like even. Go in with some ice. I saw a video where it told you to add the milk first. So that's what we're going to do. And then for ice drinks, you add the espresso on top, and apparently it's just supposed to get less watery. So we'll see about that, but just pour that espresso in. How beautiful. And it's the perfect amount, because if you're like me and can barely finish a small coffee, this is perfect for you. And just mix around. And then last step, I like to add just a little bit of some vanilla syrup, maybe like half a capful, not even. And that is how you make a iced caramel vanilla latte, caramel macchiato, with me and my Laekerrt espresso machine. Cheers, guys, and go make your coffee or go order a machine and have a great day.